Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q7 or Volkswagen Touareg guys. All these three vehicles guys, they use the same chassis, they even reuse their engines guys. So we will explain if you have one of these vehicles and you need to find and replace your oil level sensor. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located and what needs to be done guys. Before we start, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts or tools for your Porsche, Volkswagen or Audi vehicle, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Number 2 guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So many of you ask me specifically guys, okay, for that video, okay, and where that sensor is located. So what we'll need to do, okay, we'll need to jack the car up, right? Needs to be in the air for that repair to be more convenient. And the easiest way will be to have the front end lifted, or what we're using here guys, a home system quick jack. I'll put the link where we bought ours from. We just raise the front end up a little bit so we can work on it, and we'll show you what needs to be done. Second, you will guys need to remove your engine splash shield that you have underneath the engine guys. All that will need to come out. If you want to see how to do that, we have a special video that explains that. Also it will be guys in the video that we do an oil change on a Porsche Cayenne. It will explain all that, how to remove the splash shield. I don't want to waste your time for any of you just that know how to do that. If you don't, check out the video on our channel. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, how to change engine oil, and it's going to explain that. Perfect. All that being said, we get underneath the vehicle guys. If you have Cayenne, if you have Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q7 or Volkswagen Touareg, you know that the weak spot on those is from differential noise guys, and a bearing goes out. That's what we did here. We just did a differential replacement, so the video is on the channel, everything from start to finish, very detailed work guys. It took quite a bit of work to actually remove that differential, but if you know what to do, you can do it probably yourself in less than 4 or 5 hours, so not too bad once you know what to do. Okay, alright, that being said, that Cayenne guys, even if you have a V8, V6, okay, engine, diesel or gasoline, you need to come underneath guys, right? Okay, you come underneath right here, you can see that's your oil pan, and you start wondering, okay, where is that sensor? Specifically, okay, to measure the engine oil level. So if you come right here guys, the oil pan looks like that. Okay, usually that's the subframe somewhere under the oil pan, but on that V8 is actually under that, okay, thing for the, this is for the engine mounts, that supports the engine mounts. This is your oil level sensor, okay, right there, you can see that's the oil level sensor, this device. You have one wire here that I'll recommend guys to make sure that it's not dirty, that it's connected, and that it doesn't have dirt and sand stuck in it, because it's on the bottom of the engine. Sometimes that could happen. If you have an oil leak, oil gets in the wire, it may not work, so you need to clean it. And sometimes you don't just need a new sensor, sometimes it's just a bad wire or a dirty wire guys. But it says, check it out, it says Volkswagen, Audi and Porsche on it, so that sensor works pretty much for all these cars guys. So now how you guys remove and replace that? You need to drain your engine oil all the way. Drain the engine oil on cold engine. You need to remove these 3 bolts with reverse torque socket. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where we got ours from. Remove that. You have one gasket, remove it, replace the sensor. I'll recommend to put a new gasket every time you're replacing it guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.